Nature. She looked at me with a smile on her face. Then she started to cry. She said, why did my children forsake me? She felt like she was dying. Oh, ungrateful children. When she was young, she was beautiful and strong. Yeah. The more children she had, the more things went wrong. Now she's feeling old and cold, and her heart doesn't feel love anymore. Beautiful Mother Nature, she sat me down and told me to sing her a song. Maybe it would make her feel better. Maybe her children would sing along and see the wrong we have done. Make amends to mend her heart. She still wouldn't hate none of her children, no matter what cruel things they've done. She'll always be there when her baby's crying. She's a mother, she's a mother you can depend on. Beautiful Mother Nature, she's hoping her children will love her again, like one she remembers before skyscrapers and chemical plants, when she was all that we had, before they polluted her sacred land. Now her tears are falling like acid rain, and her voice sounds like earthquake. I had to beg her, Mother, please don't leave. Give another chance, I'll talk to the kids. Beautiful Mother Nature, she was mine. Beautiful Mother Nature, still is mine. Beautiful Mother Nature, she is mine.